I'm sure you've heard the news. Millennials are breaking the mold. Want in? Just follow these simple steps and watch your wealth grow. From smart investments to side hustles, the path to riches is waiting for you. Let's get started today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. What's going on, everyone? It's Alfonso with Money Smart Basics, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into how millennials can become millionaires. Trust me, I've been there. When I was starting out, I never imagined I'd be where I am today. It's about having the right mindset, making smart financial decisions, and putting in the work. Over the years, I've learned a ton about building wealth, and I've seen firsthand how millennials are crushing it in the finance game. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Let's dive into Chapter 1. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of building wealth: financial education. Look, I get it, personal finance can seem super intimidating and complex. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. The first step is to realize that you don't need to be a financial expert overnight. Start by learning the basics: budgeting, saving, investing, understanding debt. These are the building blocks of financial success. Think of it like building a house. You can't build a solid structure without a strong foundation. Financial educator. The good news is, there are tons of incredible resources available to you, and many of them are completely free. One of my favorite ways to learn is by listening to podcasts. It's like having a financial mentor in your pocket, sharing insights and advice on the go. And speaking of mentors, don't underestimate the power of books. There are countless books written by financial experts who have been in your shoes and achieved incredible success. Remember, financial education is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. The financial world is constantly changing, so it's crucial to stay updated on the latest trends, news, and strategies. By committing to continuous learning, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions with your money. Now that we've covered the importance of financial education, let's move on to another crucial aspect of building wealth: budgeting. I know, the dreaded B word. But trust me, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself or living like a monk. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you want to spend it. The first step to effective budgeting is tracking your expenses. You need to know exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going each month. Think of it like detective work. You're gathering evidence to understand your spending habits. Luckily, we live in a digital age with tons of amazing budgeting apps that make tracking your expenses easier than ever. Personally, I'm a big fan of spreadsheets because they give you complete control over your finances. But whether you prefer an app or a good old-fashioned spreadsheet, the key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, you can start identifying areas where you can cut back and save more. Remember, even small changes to your spending habits can make a big difference over time. So ditch the lattes, cancel those unnecessary subscriptions, and start putting that money towards your financial goals. Alright, let's talk about something that's absolutely crucial for building wealth, especially for you millennials saving and investing early. You might be thinking, Alfonso, I'm barely scraping by, how am I supposed to invest? And I get it, I've been there. But trust me, even small amounts invested consistently can grow exponentially over time. This is the magic of compound interest. Let me break it down for you. Compound interest is like earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball effect. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Even if you can only spare $50 or $100 a month right now, start there. It's about building the habit and letting time work its magic. Now, how do you make sure you're consistently investing? Automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts every month. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. This way, you're less likely to spend the money elsewhere, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your investments will grow. Remember, even small, consistent contributions can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. The key is to start early, stay disciplined, and let compound interest do its thing. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Alright, let's face it, in today's world, relying solely on a single income stream can be risky. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income and create multiple streams of revenue. Remember, the more money you earn, the more you can save and invest, accelerating your path to becoming a millionaire. Now, diversifying your income doesn't necessarily mean juggling 3 jobs. It's about exploring different avenues to generate money. Think about your skills and passions. Could you freelance on the side? Maybe offer online courses or coaching services? Or perhaps start an e-commerce business or invest in dividend-paying stocks? The gig economy is booming, and there are countless opportunities to leverage your skills and interests to earn extra income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy can connect you with clients worldwide. You could even rent out a spare room on Airbnb or utilize your car for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. Remember, every dollar earned from your side hustles can be reinvested, further accelerating your wealth-building journey. So, get creative, explore your options, and don't be afraid to hustle. The more you diversify your income, the more financial freedom you create for yourself. Now let's dive into the exciting world of investing. But before you throw your hard-earned money into the next hot stock tip, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of smart investing, starting with risk and diversification. Remember, every investment carries a certain level of risk. Some investments are considered riskier than others, but offer the potential for higher returns. Think of stocks or even cryptocurrency. On the other hand, you have more stable, lower-risk investments like bonds, which typically offer lower returns. That's where diversification comes in. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Well, the same applies to investing. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like art or collectibles. By diversifying your portfolio, you're essentially mitigating risk. If one investment underperforms, the others can potentially offset those losses. Remember, investing is a long game. It's about making informed decisions, managing risk effectively, and staying consistent over time. Now, let's talk about real estate, one of my favorite wealth-building tools. You hear it all the time, real estate is a great investment, and you know what? It really can be. It's a tangible asset that tends to appreciate in value over time, especially in desirable locations. Plus, it can generate passive income if you rent it out. But remember, it's not just about buying any property and hoping for the best. You've got to be strategic, just like with any investment. Do your research, understand the local market, and crunch the numbers to make sure it makes financial sense. Look for properties with good rental potential or opportunities for appreciation. One popular strategy for getting started in real estate is house hacking. This is where you buy a multi-family property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent you collect from your tenants can help cover your mortgage payments and in some cases, even generate positive cash flow. Remember, real estate does come with its own set of responsibilities and potential risks, so it's essential to do your due diligence. Get familiar with things like property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and potential vacancy rates. But if you approach it strategically and make informed decisions, real estate can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. All right, let's talk about debt. I know it's not the most exciting topic, but it's crucial on your journey to becoming a millionaire. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, is a wealth killer. Those high interest rates can eat away at your income and make it so much harder to build wealth. The name of the game is to avoid high-interest debt as much as possible. Use credit cards responsibly, and if you do accrue debt, pay it off as quickly as you can. Focus on building a solid financial foundation by saving an emergency fund and paying down debt before making significant purchases. Now let's talk about student loans. Many millennials are burdened with student loan debt, and it can feel overwhelming. Start by creating a budget and understanding exactly how much you owe and the interest rates on each loan. Then, explore different repayment options like income-driven repayment plans or refinancing to a lower interest rate. Remember, managing debt effectively is crucial for achieving financial freedom. By minimizing high-interest debt and tackling student loans strategically, you'll free up more of your income to invest and build wealth over time. Trust me, your future self will thank you. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, right? Well, it's true in personal finance too. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on a path to financial success can be incredibly motivating and insightful. One of the most valuable things you can do is seek out mentors. Find people who have already achieved what you're aiming for and learn from their experiences. Attend industry events, connect with successful individuals online, or even reach out to someone you admire and ask for a quick coffee chat. Another great way to connect with others is by joining financial communities. There are tons of online forums, local investment clubs, and social media groups dedicated to personal finance and investing. These communities can provide a supportive environment to ask questions, share insights, and learn from others' experiences. Remember, building wealth doesn't have to be a solitary journey. By networking, seeking mentorship, and engaging with financial communities, you can gain valuable knowledge, stay motivated, and accelerate your path to becoming a millionaire. So get out there, connect with others, and learn from the best. Building wealth requires patience. It's not about getting lucky overnight. Consistently make smart decisions over time. Think of it like building a skyscraper. Careful planning and effort are key. Stick to your plan and be patient. Don't let short-term market fluctuations discourage you. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Focus on building a solid financial foundation. Slow and steady wins the race. So, you're well on your way to building wealth. You're making smart financial decisions and watching your net worth grow. That's fantastic. But true success also means giving back. True wealth is about making a positive impact. Find causes you're passionate about and contribute. Stay grounded as you achieve financial success. Remember your roots and stay humble. So there you have it, folks. Becoming a millionaire as a millennial might seem like a daunting task, but it's absolutely achievable with the right mindset and the right strategies. Remember, it's not about winning the lottery or stumbling upon some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making smart, informed decisions with your money day in and day out. It's about embracing financial education, budgeting wisely, saving diligently, investing smartly, and staying patient with the process. It's about diversifying your income, exploring real estate, and saying no to those high-interest credit cards. And most importantly, it's about maintaining a long-term perspective and staying grounded, even as you achieve success. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights and tips. And be sure to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Let's crush those financial goals together. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. If you're a millennial, then you need to hear this quick tip. It's a game changer. Start investing early. Even small amounts grow big over time. Stay consistent, keep learning, and watch your wealth soar. You've got this. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos.